Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a traveling pillow. Let's start. You will need this printable pattern from internet. Pick a nice fabric to work with. Pin it onto your reference and cut 4 pieces. Put them together like this and sew this piece with your 4 fabrics. Sew along these edges and leave one free. Don't forget to turn them both inside out. It should now be looking something like this. Now turn it all inside out. Fill it with cotton filling. And this is how it's right now looking. Hand sew the edge you left open before. Cut the excess amount of string and there you go. That's about it for the moment. They are super squishy and comfortable and look very fabulous. Hope you enjoyed making them. Remember, we sell them on our website. Just contact us to this Gmail. Bye! Thank you a lot for watching.